aloneness, creativity, and the initiative for action. This focus is one of the critical areas where we get lot of questions from entrepreneurs concerning motivation and leadership, but specific to the area of entrepreneurship. Many entrepreneurs face this question and ask us questions around this topic on our online consulting platform. They feel alone. I feel so alone on this process. I wish I would have had more people to help me. There is so much of, there are so many big ideas in my head, but I feel alone on this journey. I wish there were other people to help me implement those ideas. There are questions connected with creativity. How can I stimulate my creative potential? And finally, there are many entrepreneurs who face this question about action and about initiative. Many of us are waiting for something to happen before we can act. Oh yes, I wish I would have had more data, I would have had more resources, I would have had money before I could, and then I would put this into action, and then I would take this initiative, and then I would implement that. The first topic to look at is the topic of aloneness. It is inevitable and it's an integral part of this process that as a entrepreneur progresses on his journey of entrepreneurship, he is going to be alone for a big part of the initial journey, and even after there will be people connecting with him or her. Even then, a great part of this entrepreneurship journey for that entrepreneur will go through a lot of aloneness. It is said that as a mountain grows taller and taller, its peak grows further and further alone and further away from all the surrounding peaks. And the tallest mountain, the tallest peak, is the farthest away from all surrounding peaks and mountains. So, as you progress ahead and ahead, as you get more and more refined and evolved in your thought process on the entrepreneurship journey, you get more and more alone. And that doesn't mean that you get lonely or you get separated from your family or friends or social network. On the contrary, you get a more satisfying family, personal, social life. And at the same time, your journey of entrepreneurship, the growth and development part of the entrepreneurship journey, in context to developing your motivation and leadership potential, takes you on a mental and kind of spiritual process which makes you more and more refined and fine-tuned with your own internal self. And to that extent, you become more and more alone. And it is very vital and critical that an entrepreneur develops the capacity to be comfortable, to be at ease, to be relaxed with his or her own aloneness. It is very vital that an entrepreneur expects a lot of aloneness as a part of this inner transformation, inner journey of motivation and leadership potential development. Also, this aloneness is also important because it is your inner aloneness, it is your inner process of being in touch with yourself, with your true self, that is the source of all creativity. All your growth and development on your entrepreneurship journey comes from your creative self. And that creativity, the source of that creativity is your aloneness, is your true self within you. It's your own capacity to understand and read yourself, your own true self. There are several ways of catalyzing, triggering, and stimulating creativity. Some people like to brainstorm, some people like to go on long walks, some people like to meet other people, socialize, some people watch inspirational movies or read inspirational books, novels. Some people have some special places where, spiritual places where they would visit for creativity. But the source of creativity is within you. You need to realize, understand, and focus on this. Get that focus intact within yourself. You will be wrong, you will be going astray if you try to look for external sources for triggering your creativity process. Yes, external stimuli definitely play a role, but you need to get comfortable with the fact that that creativity is not going to happen by running after external stimuli. That creativity will happen by you learning to be peaceful in acceptance of your own true self, peaceful and in acceptance of your aloneness. Because your aloneness is the definition of what you are, of your originality. It is your aloneness and your definition of yourself that makes you distinct from all other entities in this existence. And it is from that aloneness that your originality, your creativity emerges. And then, with awareness, if you pay attention to that creative impulse, that is where true motivation, drive, and leadership potential comes from. Another vital aspect connected with this process, on which we are frequently asked questions on our online platform, concerns the right time to act and to take initiative. And a problem, a challenging situation that many entrepreneurs face is that they are waiting for some or the other factor to take initiative, to take action. It is extremely important for an entrepreneur, particularly, to be very cautious with his time and resources. And to that extent, it is very important that an entrepreneur prioritizes initiative and action above everything else. That does not mean meaningless or directionless initiative or action. And that's the reason we start with aloneness and creativity. If you are in touch with your own self, if you are in touch with your aloneness and your creative potential is alive, you are in the process of flow. You are in that process of transformation on the hero's journey. Then, through that creative potential, there will be ideas creative ideas that will emerge from within you. And as those creative ideas emerge, it is important that you find the courage within yourself to implement those ideas and initiatives. At this juncture, every entrepreneur goes through that process of anxiety, of being judged. Will I be able to implement this idea in the right way? Is this the right idea? Is this the right action? Am I 100% right? Or will I be judged, criticized, laughed at? There is an inner need for approval from your immediate network, friends, social circle, from your professional circle. And that need for approval makes you scared of being criticized, of being judged, of being ridiculed. What if my idea is wrong? What if my implementation is considered foolish, or I am judged to be not so great in the implementation of my idea? It is very vital that the entrepreneur finds the source for this courage and trust in his or her own self, creative potential, and then implementation, action, initiative of that idea into action. It is this point of implementing the idea into action, taking that initiative, which makes a world of a difference. Your aloneness, your creativity, your thoughts and ideas are within your inner world. It is this implementation of an idea, the initiative and action process, that leads to a transformation in your journey. You realize that all the factors that you were waiting for, having more contacts, having more networks, getting connected with some high profile people, getting connected with resources, money, data, you realize that as you progress on the journey of initiative and action, slowly the momentum of your initiative and action builds, and it is noticed by these factors that you were waiting for, and then automatically, because of the force of your initiative and action, these factors start connecting and aligning with you, with your activity. And that is the point where this entire process undergoes a subtle inner transformation. On one hand, you were waiting for some factors to happen before you could take that initiative and act. You were feeling scared. On the other hand, you go ahead with as much action and as much initiative as possible within your limitations, in connection with your true self, in connection with your creative potential. Go ahead and take that initiative of action, and you realize that those factors that you were waiting for, slowly notice your momentum and connect and join into the flow of your momentum. And that is how your creative journey, starting from your aloneness, progresses and takes material form in the external world.